Listen and repeat. What do the new words mean? Column. A tall column. The column in the center of the square. The Bolshoi Theatre has got 8 columns. There is a tall column in the center of Dvortsova Square in St. Petersburg. Tsar. Tsar Peter the Great. Russian Tsars. Which of Russian Tsars do you know? Listen and read.
A. Appear. Bank. Change. Forced. Found. Monument. Move. Palace. B. Appear. To appear in the hall. To appear in the city. When the lady appeared in the room, everybody got up. Bank. The bank of the river. The right bank. The left bank. A man was fishing on the opposite bank. Change. To change the name. To change the job. To change the dress. To change trains. Some things never change, do they? After a few days the weather changed. Fast. 1. Fast trains. Fast cars. It was a very fast trip. My watch is 5 minutes fast. 2. To drive fast. To walk fast. To run fast. Could you drive faster, please? Run as fast as you can. Found, founded. To found a city. To found a newspaper. To found a university. Mikhail Lomonosov founded Moscow University. Who founded the Pushkin Museum in Moscow? Ivan Tsvetaev did. Monument. A monument to Alexander Pushkin. A monument to the Queen. There were some historic monuments in the square. Move. To move to a new place. To move the bookcase away from the wall. To move fast. Jill moved to Yaroslavl last month. Palace. Winter Palace. A beautiful palace. An old palace. Winter Palace is situated in Palace Square in St. Petersburg.